Dumbbell overhand tricep skull crushers. This is an exercise that primarily works your tricep fibers. The grip that we're going to be using in this exercise is an overhand, palm facing out. So the key points into performing this exercise well and safe is this. Key point number one, your posture. You can do this standing, you can do this seated, you can do this kneeling, whichever way that's comfortable to you. Now your posture, regardless, keep your chest out, arch your back, shoulder blades retracted, keep your core tight and engaged. Key point number one, guys. Key point number two, when you perform this exercise, remember, elbows locked in. Do not let them flare out, because if your elbows were to flare out, all that pressure is going to be placed upon your elbow joint instead of your triceps. So remember, keep your elbows flat in. Key point number three, guys. When you perform this exercise, do not grip. Again, do not grip those dumbbell handles. You do not want to overload those forearms. Keep them locked in. You want to keep using a tumbler's grip. Let them rest onto your palms. When you press out, use your palm. Now this way, you're going to really get a lot of that mind-muscle connection with your triceps. The fourth and the final key point, the way you breathe. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Remember, guys, inhale through the nose. Give it a good stretch. Now when you come up, when you press forward, exhale through the mouth. So therefore, you've added, guys, the four main key points into performing the tricep overhand dumbbell skull crushers.